Here we have our terminal box and switch box. The switches are what we use as a customer, as a user, to control this unit. This top switch is our system start. If we turn it to the left counterclockwise, we turn the unit on here locally. If we turn it to the right, it's labeled remote. This unit would be expecting a contact from a device, whether it's the equipment that it's running in parallel with, or it could be from SCADA, it could be from an external switch. Below that is the polymer pump switch. This is a 2-position switch. To the left, it's selected local. That means our speed is coming from our X controller. If we turn it to the right to the external, it will expect to see a 4 to 20 milliamp signal on the inside. We'll open that up to quickly look at the terminal strip. In this terminal strip, you'll see one breaker for the power. It's a 15 amp breaker, and you'll see our motor starter. This motor starter for the pump, for the motor to run, needs to be in the 12 o'clock position. In the 9 o'clock position, that means it's off or it is tripped. So we'll turn it back to the on position. In the top left corner of this is a small dial. We use that to set the trip point for the current draw on the motor. We get that information off of the label of the motor. It's the full load amp, and we set this at 1.1 times the full load amp of the motor. So if we exceed that current, this trips out and we remain safe. If we've selected the remote selection here on our top 3 position switch for our remote or our system start, we need a dry contact. It'll be on TB2 terminals 15 and 16. So when those terminals close, the unit will start to run, and when it opens, the unit sits idle. Then on our polymer pump switch, if we've selected the external, we need a 4 to 20 milliamp signal. That will come in on TB3. 1 and 2 are for a passive input, so we're not powering the loop. And 2 and 3, we power the loop, so we activate that loop on 2 and 3.